The Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi has launched its new Note series phone in China called Redmi Note 13R, with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi Note 13R features a tall 6.79-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 13R comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 68 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128, 256, or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. The device comes backed by a massive 5030 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 based on HyperOS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP53 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.6 by 76.28 by 8.32 millimeters, and it weighs around 205 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi Note 13R has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in ice crystal silver, light sea blue, and midnight black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 13R smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.